Morning, friends, family, total strangers. Today's video is just kind of going to be a day in the life of self-isolating here at Jax's mom's house and kind of what we've been up to while we're here, our daily routine. She usually sleeps in a little longer. I'm an early riser, so I come out to the van and make myself a cup of coffee and pretty much just chill out and have my coffee till she gets up. So let's get her started. Coffee's done. I usually come out here and sit in the hammock now until Jax's mom gets up, which is usually around 8. I think it's around 7:30 now, so just gonna enjoy a little hammock time. One of our first orders of business in the morning is bringing the tomato plant back outside. We keep it inside so the mice don't eat the tomatoes. It's time for second round of coffee with Jax's mom and Jax McGee. Nice, relaxing start to the day. There's my breakfast, a couple poached eggs on toast with a little Boursin cheese and avocado and arugula. It looks pretty good. I almost forgot the most important part, the drizzle of hot sauce. And there it is. Having a little afternoon beer time in the hammock with Jax's mom. Good times.
Gonna go for a walk. We're gonna go for a walk. Hopefully.
So usually in the afternoon we take Mr. McGee for a little walk up the arroyo. So that's where we're heading. There he is. Just the arroyo behind Jax's and Jax's mom's house. Just a nice little, about 1.5 mile walk round trip. We like to come up here, get Jax a little exercise, sometimes see a little wildlife, wildflowers, deer, occasionally coyote, pack rats. And oh yeah, there's a flower right there. Daisies. Get it, buddy, get it. Did run to the hardware store and the grocery store earlier today, but I did not film that. That was kind of my afternoon activity. We haven't been too active today, but yeah, we're getting down on our walk now. So this is the end of the hike, about 3/4 of a mile. This is Jax's mom's favorite little seat. And this is my not quite as comfortable seat. Trail's end. More Jax digging. Little dust on your face, buddy. Little dust on your face. So we took the high path on the way up, and now on the way back down we're walking through the wash and about to go through one of my favorite little zones. I love this little part, this little canyon-like part. So this is the High Plains Desert area, kind of up near Santa Fe, and yeah, lots of a few different types of cactus, and also lots of juniper and lots of pinyon pine and scrub brush. It's yeah, it's a nice, pretty little area. And Jax has left us. We found this little guy right back at the right near the house on our way back. Sweet. We are back at the house now at the back porch. This is the fireplace that she just got. She's gonna build a little spot for it to have a little outdoor fireplace out back. Should be pretty cool. Whipping up a little dinner. Jax's mom is doing a mole chicken with a rotisserie chicken we got from the grocery store. We got some refried beans. And we are doing a cilantro lime rice. I shouldn't have opened that. Pretty exciting. Okay, I have to say I'm pretty excited by what's about to happen right here. I am into this. But of course, if you know me at all, you know I'm about to dump Valentina all over all this. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. So yeah, that was a lovely dinner and a lovely day in general. It's funny because in quarantine, I feel like our days are exactly the same as they were before quarantine. because Jax's mom doesn't work. She works contract jobs, so when I come and visit, she's not working. So, yeah, pretty much when I visit her, this is exactly what our life is like. We do lots of cooking and hanging out and chit chatting and just lovely, wonderful times. And I have recorded some other meals that we've had over the last week or two, so let me cut you to some of that lovely footage. Little popovers and strawberries. More fancy eating with Jax's mom and Jax. He already had his piece of cheese.
Beautiful, Toby.
Jax's mom made some shrimp lemon risotto. It looks absolutely amazing. I must say I've been eating pretty darn well over the last 2 or 3 weeks. So yeah, good times. I do still have footage from the Pacific Crest Trail. So let me cut you to some of that lovely footage right now. Leaving the creek bed now. Yeah, it was awesome down there. It was nice having a rest day, getting a chance to do some laundry and bathe a little bit. So in the last 5 days, I've hiked an 8-mile day, spent 2 days not hiking, a 6-mile day, another day not hiking. So it's definitely time to get moving. Got to get to the next town for some food, resupply. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to do a big day today either. It's one of those things where there's not a great campsite. I've got either a 9-mile day or an 18-mile day. And, after taking so many rest days, I don't think pushing to 18 is a good idea. So 9 miles it is. So the last 2 nights I've been camped by myself, so sleeping by myself, first time since I've been on the trail. It's actually been pretty nice. The first night, I was a little nervous, but I've camped by myself before, so it was fine. But not being in a tent, just being under a tarp, you feel a little exposed, so it was definitely like a little weird being camped by myself, but yeah, all said and done, it was really nice. It was really nice getting some quality Toby time the last 2 nights, so pretty happy with it. My exciting lunch. Tuna in hot sauce on a tortilla. Yum. Yeah, maybe not really, but when you're hungry and you're hiking, this is just fine. I'll have 2 of these. Hey, get off me, bee. I love the one little random pine tree up there. Here's my exciting dinner tonight. Cheddar broccoli in a cheesy cheddar sauce. Little Nor pasta sides. Boiled the water in my stove. I've got it cooking in my thermos as we speak. Pretty exciting. At least I got a nice view for dinner. The Pacific Crest Trail was awesome. I'm not allowed to describe it as lovely anymore, according to Jax's mom, because I've used lovely too much in this video already. So now we are going to find some nice entertainment for the evening, and yeah, that's how it goes. So I imagine we'll watch something Netflix-ish. Perhaps the Ken Burns country music, if we can, or something else along those lines. And yeah, that's a day in the life. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. Thanks so much. Yeah, and feel free to play the Jax's mom drinking game upon review every time I say Jax's mom. Yeah, don't do that. It's a bad idea.